Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for the contour gauge shape duplicator template tool. I already had this for over 6 months now, and this is a great tool to have when you're trying to duplicate certain object and you want to cut it out to match it. So let me show you what this kit brings. So this brings 2 sets. It has a big size and then a little size. It has your inch ruler and a centimeter ruler for both of them. It has thin gauges so you could duplicate even the smallest area. You even have a locking mechanism, which is right here. Once you got your shape, you put this lever down, and now the little gauges don't move anymore. Okay? You're even able to adjust how sensitive that you want these gauges to be by tightening or loosening this Allen screws right here. And the other side also has the same measurements, so this works very good. The build quality is very good, and it has a good weight to it, so it's made very well. Let me show you how to actually use it. So a common area that like a lot of people need to kind of match is the door frames, the bottom of the door frame. So let me show you how easy it is to do it. So the way that I like to do it, I either put it in the middle or I start on the edge. Then you just push up gently. So when you do like that, you're catching all the contours of the frame. Pro tip, what I do now, once I have just the general outline, I like to push all the other spots as close as they can, so that way it matches everything exactly. So you can see when you push it gently on the bottom, even the smallest crease and curve that it has, you get inside. So once you do that, then you bring the lever down, so that way it locks in place, and now you have a perfect trace of this mold right here on the bottom. Okay, so once I have it contoured out, I'm gonna trace this on a cardboard piece just to see how well this thing traces. All right, so let's see how well that I cut the paper. So you just put it there, and you can see it traces it out perfectly to the exact curve and everything. You bring the lever back up and just push it down, so that way it's nice and flat again. Nice and flat. If you want to get the curvature of this pipe, you go like so, push it down. Then I like to, with my fingers gently in the back, push it down a little bit more just to try to get it as close as I can. Then once I'm done with there, I pull the lever to lock it in place. Now I have the perfect curve to fit around this pipe. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great contour gauge shape duplicator template tool. I like how well that is made and how easy it is to use. I also like how it has the clear centimeter and inch ruler on here, and you're also able to tighten the tightness of these gauges. And I also like how it comes with the little size and even a big size. All depends on the area that you need to duplicate.